Hey plumbers, if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today has the potential to be ugly. We have a broken sewer line, discovered by camera work, on a recurring sewer issue with a condominium. Unfortunately, to change it by trenching, we'd have to cut the sidewalk, support a block wall, maybe compromise that, which also supports the second floor. Today, we're going to line it with NuFlow Technologies, the Save-All. Folks, the Save-All. Trenchless repair coming right up. Alright folks, here's the culprit. Here's our sewer coming in, and dead center of that wall is our problem. The compromised terracotta is directly underneath of that supporting wall. Now, the camera coming in from the curb here, and we're going to pass two cracks. One right here, that's one, just went over it, and the main problem here. This is two. Might even be three cracks back there, but the main problem is right here. This little divot with the terracotta on a weird angle. Now what we're going to do is, you cannot see how bad the damage is because we actually had to go from the inside, which is now, we discovered when we were descaling that it was actually worse than it actually seemed from the camera going into the building. Now we're going out towards this street from the toilet flange, heading downstream, and you're going to see what's going on here. And you can see the water line at the 11 and 1 o'clock position of where they kept blocking up. See it holding water. Now here is the break where cast iron connects with the terracotta. You're going to see it compromised. My chain head sitting right here, and I just took a picture there to show the customer, and you can see the cracks at the 12 o'clock position coming around the top, but it's actually a little worse. You're going to see in 1 second when I move forward that there's a nice place for blockages to occur. And coming forward right here, you see where it's broken. You can see the water, the pipe's actually missing, and the water's actually going inside the fitting there to the left at the 7 o'clock position. So we definitely have a compromised pipe here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to throw a liner in from the street, because this is right off the clean out, to prevent any trenching, saw cutting, demo work on the sidewalk, the block wall, and all the above. Just a nice planned out event to where we can make this repair without doing no demolition. We are excited to offer our customers an alternative to tearing up the property to make a sewer repair. With the collab with NuFlow Technologies, we're excited to offer this new option. So stay tuned, and we'll give you a quick brief run of what's happening, and you're going to see the end result when we're done here. Here are some still shots up close of what's happening at the fittings. Right here, that's the pipe coming out. You can see the up close is actually broken, and we're going to go right through that with a liner. We're also excited about the Pakote NuFlow collab and offering Pakote's awesome machines with NuFlow to use their chain knockers to actually do all this descaling and prep for the liner.
tell me when. Our new number's our new number, wherever she gets tight, okay? Yeah, we're at 10, 11.
Alright, we're good. I got a whole plastic.
Alright folks, here's our raw pour. Boom. Let her rip. Alright, so we're going to do a little sand and a little cleanup work tomorrow. 10 o'clock at night.
Have a look at that.
See that, Ray?
Yeah, I guess.
There you have it, folks. We got that done. Lots of planning. Definitely. But worked out great. The trenchless repair saved the day. And I'd like to thank NuFlow Technologies for collabing with me here in South Jersey. And we look forward to saving you out there, folks, someday. With that, what do we got? And there goes another satisfied customer, folks. See you at the next one. Have a great day.